Hey everybody, it's Matthew Reinhardt. Let's make it pop. It's the 12 days of holiday pop, and here's another pop-up that you can create. Very simple DIY. It is a pop-up gingerbread cookie. Look at that. Delicious. Let's make it pop. All right, let's get started. You have to download the template, so just click on the link down below. It'll download onto your computer, and you can print them out on cardstock. And you can choose whatever color cardstock you like. On the templates, you're going to see two types of lines. We need to use a paper clip and a ruler. We're going to score all those dotted lines. So let's find them, and we're going to lay the ruler along each of the dotted lines, and then rub the edge of the paper clip along each one of those dotted lines, just like this. Kirsten is giving me a literal hand, making these awesome pops. Say hi, Kirsten.
Hi.
But I'm doing the talking. All right, once we've got all the pieces scored, the next step is going to actually be cutting out all these pop-up pieces. There's not too many. Let's see, there's the base page, and there's the body of the gingerbread cookie, and then the head, just like so. You're going to see that she actually, instead of moving her hand with the scissors to cut and make all those curves, she actually moves the paper. It makes for a much easier experience cutting out all those intricate curved pieces. Once you've got all the pieces already cut, we're going to pre-fold everything. And now watch how she folds everything. We're going to close the card shut, and that way our pop-ups know which way to move. We don't need to fold the head. There's no dotted lines on that one, but it's going to go right there. And now we're going to fold this body piece. We're going to fold it a little this way, and we're going to fold it that way, and make sure it's folded right down the middle, just like that. So now that's how it's supposed to close. See how it folds up quite nicely. All right, now let's get to gluing. I'm just going to use some regular craft glue like this. White glue will do just fine. And we're going to glue this pop-up flat. But first, let's start with the head. Let's glue on the head. See this gray area right here? It's sort of a semicircle shape. We're going to paint on the glue just within that gray shape, just like that. And see how that piece lines up? It tells you exactly where there's a key in. It keys you in to where that piece should go. Look at that. Perfect. Let it dry. There we go. Now the head's attached. Perfect. Next, let's these two triangles here are going to glue there and there. So again, we're going to very carefully paint into that shape, that gray shape there, that triangle, some glue. Let's do the left side first. And we're going to make sure the center of our pop-up gingerbread man body piece is lined up with the center of the base page, just like that. See how she's bent? See how she's bent the pop-up over to show you where that center line is? So we've got that side. And then let's pull it up just a bit and add some more glue to the opposite side, to the right side. We're just going to make sure that the glue only goes in that gray part. So don't just like squeeze a bunch of glue in there and make a big glob. You want to just make sure you're very careful with how much glue goes in, because if you use too much, your pop-up won't work right. All right, now it folds and opens. She's all finished. She's let the glue dry. Look at how it moves. That's how it moves. It's sort of, it bends to fit inside that card. Look at that. It's good to look at your pop-up from every angle to make sure everything's working just right. That's why we show it to you like this. But you know what part's next? Oh, the fun part. Let's get decorating. So you can use sequins, you can use fabric, you can use crayons, you can use markers, you can use metallic markers, you can use all kinds of different craft items to dress up your pop-up. So let's see what you can do to decorate this awesome gingerbread cookie. I can almost smell it. You know what would be cool is if you actually had gingerbread spray. You could actually spray this to make it smell like gingerbread if you wanted to. And there you have it, your own pop-up gingerbread cookie. Look at that, that's so cool. Well, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed yet another 12 Days of Holiday Pop with me, Matthew Reinhardt. And if you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe. And if you have some ideas about more pop-ups that we can create here, just let me know down in the comments. See you next time.